How to remove faucet from bathroom sink. All right, so your first step is to gather your tools. So start by getting the right tools for the job. You're going to need an adjustable wrench, a basin wrench, a plier, and a bucket or some tools. Now, once you've gotten everything, then need to turn off your water supply. So make sure you've turned off your water supply. So turn off the water for the hot and the cold valves under your sink. And then once you're done there, you can now disconnect the water supply lines by using a wrench to disconnect the water supply lines from the faucet. So you can easily do that by, disconnecting it from the faucet itself. And once you've done that, you now need to remove the mounting nuts. So locate the mounting nuts and simply remove them underneath the sink. You could loosen them using a basin wrench. So please keep that in mind because that is the hardest part as it is a tight space. So you're going to need to use a basin wrench to remove this mounting nut. All right. And once you're done, you could simply remove the faucet from the top here by simply pulling the faucet up out of the sink and it's going to be out. And then just, clean the area by cleaning any old sealants or build up before installing a new faucet in place. So once you're done there, you could just simply clean everything up, test it, and make sure everything is running. And that's it.